Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia, and before we get started, you should be able to see a red play button in the right hand bottom corner of the video. Please click the red play button and give this video a thumbs up. That'll let me know that you enjoyed the video and would like to see more content. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I've included a list of ingredients that you'll need for the dish. I've also included a picture of the sauce that was used for your convenience. You can skip this step, but I do recommend that you pre-soak the pasta for at least 10 minutes. Doing so will allow them to clean and cut down on boil time to 10 minutes instead of 20 minutes. The video did cut off, but I like to add a little salt to my noodles while they boil, which will give them a little flavor on their own. I forgot to include that prep time will be about 10 minutes, not including pre-soaked noodles if you choose to take that step. Otherwise, it would be 20 minutes. Cook time should not exceed 15 minutes. Today, I did include a clip of me chopping onions. Obviously, I won't include such a clip in the future. I'm pretty sure you know how to cut vegetables. However, I wanted to show you how I cut my vegetables to end up with bite-sized squared pieces for an enjoyable dish. Quick side note, remember not to overboil your pasta, especially if you pre-soak them. Your pasta will become soggy and you'll have to start over. Going into the next clip, my pasta has finished boiling and now I'm going to pour them into the colander under cold running water. I like to run water over them because it instantly cools them down. You will also see me cleaning my pasta in a cut-off portion of this clip. That's just me thoroughly spreading the water amongst the pasta. After that, I'm going to set my pasta to the side and begin to prepare my sauce. Let's turn on the fire. In the beginning of heating the wok, I always keep the flame in the middle for medium heat. You can always turn the flame up or down per your preference while cooking. Okay, now we're ready to add the oil. You'll want at least a half cup or less. This is so you'll be able to fry the vegetables as well as absorb the flavors. Stir fry on high-medium heat for about 5 minutes until you see the vegetables turning a semi-charred color. Proceed to add your Alfredo sauce to your vegetables and bring it to a boil. Fill the jar up a quarter of the way with water, then shake and pour it into the dish. You can add in your Italian seasoning at any time now. Remember to taste as you go. You don't want your food to be too salty. You'll want to overboil the sauce just a little so it'll become a little thicker. Try to keep mixing your pasta while you let it boil on high so that the sauce on the bottom of the pan doesn't stick to it. If this happens, just put a little water back into the sauce to lift it up again. But remember, we want the sauce to be a little thick, so don't add too much water unless you like to have your sauce runny. I will leave detailed cooking instructions in the description below the video. You can also leave any questions in the comments section if you get stuck. I will be happy to help you answer your problems. I didn't record this part on video, but I did cut my chicken into small bite-sized, almost baby-like finger pieces, just so that it'll blend in with the food very nicely the same way I cut the vegetables. Quick side note, I didn't realize my camera had stopped recording during the mixing of the sauce, pasta, and chicken, which were all of the last steps. After you've mixed your pasta and chicken into the sauce, you can now enjoy your pasta. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. So what'd you think? Let me know in your comments below. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell below the video to stay tuned for weekly updates on more DIY, step-by-step, delicious tasting food. Don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. See you in the next video.